For the second page, first of all, I need to create the page itself. So I need to go to the page panel in case it's not already available. And then you can add, wish to add 2 pages. You can add as many pages you want. So these 2 pages are both linked to the A Mastro, which is the main page. Now you have 3 A's. But the point is that in these pages, the number 2, 3, and maybe in all the following, I want to add some graphic I want to repeat in the whole pagination. This is the graphic I've already done. This is the little thing I want to have on the top. This is the other piece I want at the bottom. So basically I want these 2 guys here and here. No, sorry, more here. Okay, in every page. So basically the point is that I need to copy paste all these guys, or I could place this in the master page. But the problem is that in the master page I'm going to have also the same icons also in the master page. I don't want this. So the point is this one. I'm going to cut, Command X. I'm going to create a custom brand new master page. So let's go to new master page. In this case, I don't want to base the master page on the nothing. The name will be inside pages. Okay. And here I will paste in the same position these 2 guys. The only thing I want to do more is this. When I go to I need to apply the new pages here. So you have A's and 2 B's. The thing is this one. I also want to apply a big rectangle of color, and you see that this rectangle will cover the object on the master page. So I want to have everything in a layer which is above. Let me do the rectangle in the color I want, and then Command X, go back to the inside page. In this case, just paste it. It's nothing special. Right click, arrange, send to back. But I want these 2 guys. It's fine to have this color here under everything, but I want this guy here. Let me group it, and this guy here in a layer which is above, because okay, in case I'm going to play with the images, these 2 guys will be all the time on layer 2, which is right here. So I can go back to the pages, I can click here, and I can go ahead with the, oh wow, this is not correct. I can add 1 extra point here, and yeah, I think it's enough. Go here, oops. This guy up to here, this guy up to here. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, master page. It is done.